Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp notifications not showing on an iPhone. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So first open WhatsApp and go to settings at the bottom right corner here and scroll to notifications and ensure that message notifications and group notifications here are toggled on. Okay? And if that didn't resolve the problem, then try to enable notifications in your iPhone settings. So just exit what's up here and open the iPhone settings app. And then scroll to notifications and find what's up. So make sure allow notifications is turned on here, okay? And see if that resolved the issue. But if not, then the last thing I could recommend is to check your focus mode. So to do that, open the control center by swiping down from the top right of the screen here and ensure that focus mode like do not disturb is turned off. So tap the icon to disable it if necessary. So that's basically how you can fix WhatsApp notifications not showing on an iPhone. So I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.